Hey everybody, it's Dave Robles with Think Real Estate, bringing you episode 14 of the California Corona Staycation show. And I am here, new surroundings. This is my front patio, and I kind of wanted some fresh air. And I'm looking over the city right now. It's a really beautiful day, and boy, do I need a shave. Okay. I want to talk to you about what's going on in the mortgage world if you cannot make your mortgage payment. And we're about to get into some serious conversations with people, banks are, with people who aren't able to make that payment. And a couple words I want you to be aware of is forbearance and deferment. And you're going to hear these things thrown around a bit. Now, if you call your bank right now and you tell them that you're not going to be able to make your mortgage payment, they will probably set you up on what's called a forbearance pretty quickly. And that is basically allowing you to not make the next 3 payments or 6 payments. And this is something that sounds good and may not be the answer for everybody, because there's something they're not telling you. It means after 3 months, you may have to pay all of that in one lump sum plus the 4th month payment. However, if you call your bank, they might tell you something like, in 3 months, when your forbearance period is over, we'll take another look at it and we will either spread out the unpaid balance over a year or other timetable, or tack it on to the very end, or who knows. But what they're really doing is you're making an agreement to kind of make an agreement later. So if you don't have the money in those 3 months, you'll be making a different agreement. Another thing that we might not be sure about is, how will these be counted? Your bank is going to tell you, we're not going to count you late during this time. We're not going to charge you any late fees during this time. Sounds great. But in the credit reporting world, it needs to either say that you made your payment or that you were delinquent. And right now, there is no option for not delinquent but didn't make a payment. So this either has to get worked out, but something's going to have to go into that little box because you did not make a payment. So we're not sure what the effect of that's going to be. The other option that you hear is called deferment. Deferment is taking the missed payments, say, okay, you can miss the next 3 payments, and we're just going to tack those onto the back, and you can pick up in 4 months and just continue making your payments. That's a great option, and that they're not making available to you. So know what you're calling. Also, if your loan is a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac backed loan, and you can find out by the links in the body here, then they are about to roll out programs that might be very beneficial and will override whatever your servicer or bank might provide. So there are options, and if you need them, but know what they are, because they're not all created equal. Okay, I hope you're well. I hope you're staying safe. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.